slider crank mechanism. Slider crank mechanism inversion. Air inversions. What is the meaning of inversion? I am repeating it. Inversion means different form, different रूप, different figures, different mechanism. Same thing. So suppose this is the your slider crank. So this is the crank, this is the connecting rod or coupler, this is the slider. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we fix the different link 1, link 2, then we will get the different mechanism. Just recapitulation 1 to 2 minutes. So in the first cases, there is the inversion 1. If I fix the link 1, then I will get the all engines, reciprocating engines, so steam engines, internal petrol engines, diesel engines. These are all inversion 1. And if we fix the, instead of fixing the 1, if we fix the 2, then I am getting what? Rotary engine. That means now the body, that means now it is not, body is not grounded. Body can float, body is free. So in that's why in the rotary engines, you see in the radial engines, the same thing. Now there is a question, I will show the video. I will also show the video. In radial engines, what is happening? If it is a radial engine, suppose it is a radial engine, that is how many? Yeah. Suppose there is a 4 engines are there, 4 cylinders are there. 1 cylinder, 2 cylinders, 3 cylinders, 4 cylinders. But here what will happen? The cylinder is fixed. In the radial engine, the cylinder is fixed. That I will show in the diagram. But in case of rotary engines, the cylinder is not fixed. That is the difference. In case of radial engines, the all machines are connected to one crank. The engine body is fixed, but this is not fixed. As a result of which this will move, but engine as a result will not move. But in case of your rotary engines, your crank is fixed, but engine is not fixed. So that is the difference. So now today we will be discussing inversion 3. So today we will be discussing inversion 3, where I will fix the slider crank inversion 3. So what is my original diagram? So original diagram was this one. So this is simple. Let me repeat, and so 1, 2, 3. Now I will fix this one crank. This is the connecting rod I will fix. Then what type of engines I will get? Hello. This one now. So what I have done, now this time I am fixing the link 3. Now I will do, because I have to do some modification, then I will get some mechanisms. So but basically I will now fix the link number 3. Now this, let me draw one diagram. One engine I am drawing it. Then you tell me. So let me draw. Hello. I am not talking. Just I am not. আমি তো কোনো কথা বলছি না. That's why. I am not talking. Let me draw. Just give me 2 minutes. Or 1 minute. Now if you see here, what is happening, this is the crank, so link 2 is this one, and 3, this is the link 3 that is fixed. Now what I have done, this link 3 I have connected to a one hinge that is also ground. So that means this is link 3, this is also link 3, because this is also grounded, this is also grounded. So link 3 is connected to a hinge which is connected to the ground. So that means totally these things is fixed. So this is the crank, this is the link 2 is acting as a crank. Crank means it can rotate 360 degree. And what I do some modification in the link 1, this and this is the one piece. This is the one piece. This link and this is not a slider. This is the link 1 and this is the link 1 extended part, and this is the one solid. And what is the link 4? Cylinder is the link 4. This cylinder which is free. The cylinder free is free. Now can anybody say, just imagine, if the link 2 rotates, what will happen to the link 1? What will happen to the link 1? Or this direction. Suppose it is doing counterclockwise. What will happen to the link 2? If the link 2 rotates, what will happen to the link 1? If anybody can say, link 1 এর কি হবে? Link 2 is rotating. Yes, one will oscillate. Yes. 4 number, 4 I am coming. First you tell me, if the link 2 rotates, what will happen to the link 1? Linear motions. Link will have a linear motion because it is connected here. It is a hinge here. This end is the fixed. So this end is the fixed. So okay. না সার্কেলটা এইভাবে হবে না, সরি সার্কেলটা আমি সো সার্কেলটা হবে, সো দিস ইজ দ্য সার্কেল, সো দিস ইজ দ্য সার্কেল, সরি দিস পার্ট সার্কেলটা আমি ভুল করেছি, কারণ সেন্টারটা হবে এটা, কারণ দিস এন্ড ইজ দ্য